Imagine a trailer running gear lubrication system that's simple to maintain and completely submersible. Dexter's E-Z Lube bearing lubrication system is just that. It's designed to allow grease to easily flow to both the inner and outer bearings for a complete repack. It's easy to fill too. There's no disassembly to deal with. Just attach a grease gun at the spindle end and inject the grease. The E-Z Lube cap allows for easy access, extra protection, and virtually no mess. And the E-Z Lube system purges contaminated grease without having to remove the hub. Here's how it works. The E-Z Lube system consists of axle spindles that have been specifically drilled and assembled with grease fittings in their ends. When grease is pumped into the fitting, it is channeled first to the inner bearing, then to the outer bearing, then back out the grease cap hole for a complete bearing repack. Follow this easy step-by-step procedure. First, remove the rubber plug from the end of the grease cap. Then place a standard manual grease gun onto the grease fitting located at the end of the spindle. Next, while rotating the hub or drum, pump grease slowly into the fitting. The old displaced grease will begin to flow back out of the cap around the grease gun nozzle. When the new clean grease is observed, remove the grease gun, wipe off any excess, and replace the rubber plug in the cap. The protection and maintenance features of Dexter's E-Z Lube system make it ideal for most towable axles, including marine trailer applications. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year limited warranty from the most respected name in the industry. E-Z Lube, bearing lubrication made quick and easy. That's the Dexter difference. Visit DexterAxle.com for a complete list of over 350 distributors throughout the U.S. and Canada.